If you ever lost access to your old WhatsApp account because you no longer have the SIM card, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you a simple new method to recover that old account without needing the number at all. Most people don't know this trick, but it works directly through WhatsApp's built-in support system, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Before we begin, make sure you already have WhatsApp installed on your phone. You don't need the old SIM, just the app. First, open WhatsApp up. Once you're inside, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and head into Settings. From there, scroll down and go to Help and Feedback, and then tap Help Center. This is where all account-related support lives. Inside the Help Center, scroll until you find accounts, then choose Account and Security, and finally open accounts again. Now, you'll see all the official support options for situations exactly like this. At the bottom right corner, there's a button that says Contact Us. Go ahead and tap that. WhatsApp will open a message box where you can write directly to the support team. In that message box, type this: I want to recover my old WhatsApp account without SIM. Keep it simple and clear. Once you're done, hit send. As soon as your request is submitted, WhatsApp will automatically generate a support ticket number. This means your case is officially registered. Shortly after, a support agent will reply directly inside the chat. They may ask you a few details to verify that you're the rightful owner of the account, and then guide you through the final steps to recover or restore it. This method works because WhatsApp support can manually assist users who no longer have access to their phone number, something the app alone cannot do. It's especially helpful if your SIM card is lost, expired, or no longer active. And that's it. A quick, clean, and official way to get your old WhatsApp account back without needing the original SIM. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment if you want a follow-up tutorial on WhatsApp security or backup tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.